Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech It's Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your profile picture on Spotify. Keep watching the video till the end to change your profile picture on Spotify. Firstly, open your Spotify application. The homepage of Spotify will appear on the screen. Click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the screen, and click on your recent profile picture. On the next page, click on the pen icon to change your profile picture. Either choose a photo from your gallery or take a photo, then click on Save. This is how you can change your profile picture on Spotify account quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.